Speaker, today we are going to debate on the first reading of Criminal Procedure Reform and Modernization Bill. This bill will be a big step in reforming criminal procedures, thus reducing unnecessary delays and inefficiencies in our court processes. I would like to congratulate the Minister of Justice, Honorable Simon Power, for his thoughtfulness and action on this long-standing issue. The national-led government, under the leadership of Right Honorable John Key, since came to power, has promoted a number of changes in the justice system so that the unnecessary stress to the victims, witnesses and jurors and other involved in criminal processes can be avoided. The credibility of a government is determined by an effective and efficient judicial system. We have to ensure that justice is delivered as soon as possible. Mr. Speaker, we cannot keep on building new courtrooms and appointing more judges. We need to remedy the inefficiency in our system. This bill will help in freeing thousands of sitting hours in the court every year. It will also bring about 43,000 fewer court events. If we talk about saving in dollar terms, it is estimated that $24.3 million will be saved in next 5 years. This bill also has approval to permit courts to proceed in absence of a defendant if court is not satisfied that the defendant has reasonable excuse for his absence. Another important change is to issue of the name suppression. The changes could allow publication of names of a defendant or other details or evidence in particular case. Presently, it is not clear why a suppression order is granted. The government has already introduced a number of provisions so that justice can be delivered sooner than later. I am happy to commend this bill to the House and look forward to participate in forthcoming select committee process.
扣论出来。